Living in Layton, Utah, offers the charm of a growing suburban community with easy access to urban amenities and outdoor activities. However, like many homeowners, you may find that noise pollution, whether from traffic, nearby construction, or even the hustle and bustle of a busy neighborhood, can disrupt the peace of your home. Noise pollution can affect your comfort, privacy, and overall quality of life. One of the most effective and often overlooked solutions to this problem is door replacement. Replacing your front door, back door, or even interior doors can significantly reduce unwanted noise from outside, making your home a quieter and more peaceful environment. In this article, we'll explore how door replacement can help reduce noise in your Layton home and create a more comfortable living space for you and your family. Understanding the source of noise pollution. Before we dive into how replacing your door can reduce noise, it's important to understand how noise enters your home. Common sources of noise pollution include traffic noise from nearby roads or highways, construction sounds from new developments or remodeling projects, neighboring sounds such as conversations, lawnmowers, or pets, wind and storm sounds during inclement weather. Older or poorly insulated doors are often a major pathway for these sounds to enter your home. Sound can travel through gaps in the door, cracks around the frame, or through thin or hollow materials, making your home feel less private and less comfortable. New doors designed with soundproofing features can help block or absorb these noises, creating a much quieter indoor environment. How soundproof doors work. Soundproof doors, also known as acoustic doors, are specifically designed to block or reduce the transmission of noise from the outside. These doors are constructed from materials that help absorb sound waves, preventing them from entering the home. Common features of soundproof doors include solid cores. Soundproof doors typically have a dense core that absorbs sound and reduces its ability to pass through. Thicker, layered construction. A multi-layer construction with thicker materials such as fiberglass, steel, or solid wood can significantly reduce the transmission of sound. Sealed edges. High-quality soundproof doors have weather stripping or acoustic seals around the edges, which create a tight seal to prevent sound from leaking through gaps. Glass with noise-dampening properties. For doors with windows, noise-reducing glass can further help block sound. By installing a soundproof door in your home, you can dramatically reduce the amount of external noise that enters, making your space more tranquil and peaceful. Energy-efficient and noise-reducing benefits. One of the added advantages of replacing your old door with a soundproof model is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older doors often have gaps or poor insulation, which allow both sound and heat to escape. When you replace your door with an energy-efficient, noise-reducing door, you'll enjoy the added benefit of improved temperature regulation in your home. Insulated doors not only block outside noise but also help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for your heating and cooling systems to work as hard. This dual benefit of noise reduction and energy efficiency helps improve comfort while lowering your utility bills. Reducing traffic and street noise. In Layton, Homes located near busy streets, highways, or commercial areas can often be subject to constant traffic noise. Whether it's the hum of passing cars or the occasional honking of horns, traffic can disrupt the tranquility of your home. If your front door is old or made from thin materials, sound can easily penetrate, making it harder to relax or sleep at night. Soundproof doors made from thick materials or insulated cores are designed to absorb sound and reduce the amount of traffic noise that enters your home. This helps create a more peaceful indoor environment, allowing you to enjoy your home without the constant hum of passing vehicles. Improving privacy from neighbors. If you live in a close-knit neighborhood or an apartment complex, you may be familiar with the sounds of neighbors talking, pets barking, or lawnmowers running. These everyday sounds can be invasive and make it difficult to relax or have private conversations. Older or thin doors can allow these sounds to travel through, reducing your sense of privacy. A new, solid core door with soundproofing features can help block external noises, providing a more private living space. Whether it's conversations from next door or the occasional noise from a nearby park, a high-quality door can significantly improve your home's sound isolation, allowing you to enjoy more peace and privacy inside your home. Increased home value and comfort. Replacing your door with a soundproof option not only improves your home's comfort but also adds to its value. Homes with quiet, well-insulated interiors are more attractive to potential buyers who value privacy and comfort. Whether you're looking to sell in the future or just want to improve your living space, investing in a new, noise-reducing door can increase your home's marketability and value. Additionally, new doors are generally more durable and low maintenance, adding to your home's long-term appeal. The added comfort, energy efficiency, and quiet environment will make your home more desirable to both you and potential buyers. Choosing the right door for noise reduction. When selecting a door to reduce noise in your Layton home, it's important to choose a high-quality model designed with soundproofing in mind. Look for doors made from solid wood, fiberglass, or steel, which are all excellent materials for blocking sound. Additionally, consider features like weather stripping and insulated cores for maximum noise reduction. If your home has windows in the door, opt for acoustic glass or double-paned windows to further reduce sound transmission. Conclusion: a quieter, more comfortable home with door replacement. If you're dealing with noise pollution in your Layton home, replacing your old door with a soundproof model is an effective and affordable solution. A new door offers significant benefits, from reducing traffic noise and improving privacy to increasing your home's energy efficiency and overall comfort. By investing in door replacement, you can enjoy a quieter home and a more peaceful living space, free from the distractions of outside noise. Whether you're looking to improve your home's atmosphere or increase its value, replacing your door with a high-quality, noise-reducing door is a smart choice for any homeowner in Layton.